Welcome to Travel Trove, your gateway to exploring the wonders of our world and beyond. Here, we dive deep into the mysteries of the earth, uncover the secrets of the animal kingdom, journey through the vastness of space, and sail across the oceans. Whether it's the marvels of nature, the story of human beings, or the mysteries of the cosmos, Travel Trove is your one-stop destination for adventure and knowledge. Subscribe and join us as we embark on exciting journeys that will expand your horizons and inspire your curiosity. Ready to explore? Let's begin the adventure. Welcome to the mesmerizing world of the ocean, where we dive deep into the story of one of the most beloved creatures of the sea, the nemo fish, or, as scientists call them, clownfish. In today's video, we'll explore everything about clownfish, their natural habitat, behavior, fascinating biology, and the symbiotic relationships they form in the wild. You might know Nemo from the famous animated movie, but the real clownfish are even more incredible than the story you've seen. Let's start by understanding who these little creatures really are. What are clownfish? Clownfish, also known as anemone fish, are small, brightly colored fish found in the warm waters of the Indian and Pacific Oceans, including the Great Barrier Reef. They are most recognizable for their vibrant orange bodies with distinctive white stripes outlined in black. One of the most fascinating aspects of clownfish is their unique symbiotic relationship with sea anemones. Sea anemones have stinging tentacles that protect the clownfish from predators, while clownfish, in return, keep the anemones clean and provide nutrients through their waste. This mutualistic relationship is essential for both species survival. Clownfish are born male, and some can change into females later in life, especially when the dominant female of a group dies. They live in groups where the largest fish is female, and the second largest is the breeding male. The rest are smaller, non-breeding males. Clownfish primarily feed on plankton, algae, and small crustaceans, making them omnivorous. Their small size and bright appearance, along with their unique living arrangement with sea anemones, make them one of the most intriguing creatures in the underwater world. There are about 30 species of clownfish, but the most well-known one is Amphiprienocelarus, often recognized as Nemo from the movie. They are known for their striking orange bodies with white stripes outlined in black, and they are found primarily in the warm waters of the Pacific and Indian Oceans. Clownfish are small, averaging about 4 to 5 inches in length, and they typically live in shallow waters of coral reefs. But what makes these little fish so fascinating isn't just their appearance. It's their behavior and their symbiotic relationship with another ocean creature, the sea anemone. Have you ever wondered why clownfish are always found around sea anemones? This is one of the most remarkable partnerships in the ocean, known as a mutualistic symbiotic relationship. The connection between clownfish and sea anemones is one of the most well-known examples of mutualism in the animal kingdom. The clownfish receive protection from predators by living within the anemone's stinging tentacles, while the anemone benefits from the clownfish by having their parasites removed and gaining nutrients from leftover clownfish meals. The movement of clownfish also helps circulate water around the anemone, improving its health. Sea anemones are predatory animals that use their tentacles to capture prey. These tentacles are covered in stinging cells called nematocysts, which release toxins that can paralyze small fish. But here's the magic: clownfish are immune to these toxins. Thanks to a special mucus layer on their skin, clownfish can swim through the anemones without getting harmed. The relationship is mutually beneficial. The anemone provides protection for the clownfish from predators like larger fish, while the clownfish helps keep the anemone clean by removing debris and even scaring off anemone-eating creatures like butterfly fish. It's an incredible example of how different species rely on each other to survive in the wild. The life cycle of clownfish is unique, especially when it comes to their gender roles. All clownfish are born male, but they have the ability to change gender, a process called sequential hermaphroditism. In a group of clownfish, the social structure is hierarchical, with the largest and most dominant individual being female, and the next in line, the second largest, being male. When the dominant female dies, the dominant male undergoes a sex change to become the new female. This process ensures the group's survival and stability. The next largest male then steps up to become the breeding male. Clownfish reproduce through external fertilization. The female lays hundreds to thousands of eggs on a flat surface near their host sea anemone. After that, the male guards and tends to the eggs, fanning them with his fins to keep them oxygenated and free of debris. The eggs hatch in about 6 to 10 days, depending on water temperature, and the larvae are carried away by ocean currents. Once the larvae grow and mature, they find a new sea anemone to call home, where they will continue the cycle. This fascinating gender flexibility and group structure make clownfish particularly adaptable in their environment. Clownfish are omnivores, meaning they eat both plant and animal matter. Their diet primarily consists of small zooplankton, algae, and tiny invertebrates. They are opportunistic feeders, which means they will eat what is available in their environment. In the wild, clownfish often feed on planktonic creatures like copepods, small crustaceans, and fish eggs. They also consume algae that grow on rocks and coral, helping keep their habitat clean. Clownfish are known to pick at small particles of food left behind by the sea anemones they live with. Interestingly, clownfish benefit from their symbiotic relationship with sea anemones in terms of feeding as well. Sea anemones capture larger prey using their stinging tentacles, and while clownfish don't typically eat the prey directly, they consume any scraps left over from the anemone's meal. Clownfish play a role in cleaning their anemone hosts by removing debris and keeping parasites at bay. This feeding behavior strengthens their relationship with sea anemones, as the clownfish help keep their shared environment healthy while ensuring a steady food supply. Despite their fascinating adaptations, clownfish face many challenges in the wild today. One of the biggest threats is climate change, which is leading to coral bleaching. When water temperatures rise, coral reefs and sea anemones become stressed and can die, leaving clownfish without their homes. Another threat is overfishing and the aquarium trade. While clownfish are popular in home aquariums, taking them out of the wild can have negative effects on reef ecosystems. It's important that, if you want a clownfish in your tank, you get one that's been bred in captivity. Thankfully, conservation efforts are underway to protect coral reefs and their inhabitants, including clownfish. Organizations around the world are working to restore damaged reefs and create marine protected areas. Before we wrap up, here are some quick fun facts about clownfish. Clownfish communicate with each other using popping and clicking noises. They are highly territorial and will defend their anemone homes fiercely, even against much larger fish. Clownfish have a symbiotic relationship not just with anemones, but also with certain species of shrimp and crabs. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey of discovery here at Travel Trove. We hope you've enjoyed exploring the wonders of animals, the mysteries of space, the depths of the ocean, and the beauty of our planet. If you loved learning with us, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our next adventure. At Travel Trove, the journey never ends. There's always more to explore, more to learn, and more to marvel at. Drop a comment below with what you'd like to see next, and we'll keep the knowledge coming. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and remember the world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered.